The Surface Mount Technology Association, SMTA, which is an international network of professionals dedicated to skill building, sharing practical experiences, and developing solutions in electronics manufacturing, this year is recognizing young leaders who have demonstrated outstanding success in their electronics careers. I'd like to introduce Prathik, who is being named one of SMTA's 40 Under 40 Achievers. Congratulations, Prathik.
Thank you, Steve.
Criteria for selection is one who demonstrates excellence and leadership in the technical field, makes noteworthy contributions, and has made significant impact on the organization, the community, and beyond. How does that make you feel?
It is very exciting to receive this award from SMTA, and I would like to thank Chris Shea for the nomination and my peers and mentors at Vicor for their constant support.
What do you enjoy most about working in the electronics industry?
The electronics industry is dynamic and ever evolving. With constant advancements in miniaturization, we must continuously learn and experiment to develop next generation products. End of the day, it is very rewarding to see the impact of the products in our daily lives, such as we're in the products going to industries such as defense and aerospace, high performance computing, autonomous vehicles, and data servers.
What skills or traits do you believe are essential for success in this field?
I would like to highlight 3 key skills. First, staying curious and continuously learning. The industry is ever evolving, and one needs to be in touch with all the latest technological advancements. Second, strong foundations. Having strong fundamental engineering concepts and principles is essential to adapt to newer technologies as they become available, wherein one can build off of a strong base. And third, being hands-on approach. I would like to emphasize on the third skill because this skill is where a person can actually apply theoretical concepts in a practical world setting. So essentially helping one develop their technical skills. So I think these 3 skills would be essential for success in the electronics industry.
What excites you most about the future of the electronics industry?
With the demand for smart devices, custom AI hardware, and electric vehicles, I believe the industry is on pace for rapid development. At Vicor, I am the SMT lead for new product development, and we review PCBs, and I develop new processes for next generation products. As part of the design review, I ensure that the new products are thoroughly reviewed for design for manufacturability, wherein making it easy for us when it comes to production ramps. I am part of the product robustness team, wherein we continuously work on improving the product performance, overcoming manufacturability challenges for innovative products, and driving customer satisfaction. So I'm very excited to see what's coming our way.
And you have a lot of challenges given to you by the robustness team that you work through.
Yes.
You're an inspiration to the younger engineers in the group, along with the co-op students in our organization. I admire the work that you've been doing. You're a great role model. It's commendable the things that you do in the SMT world. Mm-hmm. And you go about your job with a lot of enthusiasm and drive. And I just want to thank you for everything that you do for Vicor and what you do in your role.
Thank you, Steve.
Yeah.